Hello, I'm Kate, and in today's video I'm going to share with you a few hints and tips about the fabrics that you use for Infusible ink projects. You'll notice that all Cricut Infusible ink blanks have this logo on them here, and that means that they're compatible to use with Infusible ink products. All Cricut Infusible ink blanks are made up of the correct fabric composition to make sure that the pigments in the ink are as crisp, clear and bright as they're supposed to be. So generally speaking, they're either all or mostly polyester. You'll see here on this Infusible ink sheet that the colours look to be quite dull and quite flat, but actually once they're transferred onto the correct fabric, they're really poppy and bright. It's amazing. If I was to transfer this Infusible ink sheet onto a non-Cricut blank, so say something that didn't have a high polyester count, you would find that the effect would be completely different. So the colour would be much duller and much flatter than it is here on this one. I would also always recommend that you study the instructions on the Cricut heat guide for whatever blank you're using. It will always tell you exactly what temperature and time to heat up to, whether you need to preheat and when you need to peel off the backing. As long as you stick to those instructions, you should find that you have perfect results every time. You'll also see on the handy Cricut heat guide that if you scroll down to the bottom, there's often some aftercare instructions. So there it will tell you how to care for your project after you have created it. So for example, for this wine bag, if I wanted to wash it, I would turn it inside out with a cool wash and a mild detergent and not use any fabric softener. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to watch our other videos for lots more project ideas and hints and tips. Bye bye!